had Neep, we would have won.
Mm-hmm.
I know it, you know it, everybody knows it.
There's a bunch of people coming here.
Oh, they're so low, dude. Let's go junction.
Sure. One guy's coming here too, but...
He's a
Oh, yeah, I see
nerd.
him. Oh, he's like a...
I didn't make it all the way.
Why did he pass this chest?
He's in my building.
Got
I
to jump.
I don't have a gun?
Where'd he
All I have
go?
is a sniper. You know where he is?
Oh, yeah,
Someone...
Oh god, he's on my roof. God. Ah!
Come in.
I got him.
Thank you.
I have a shield. If you want it.
Yeah.
Ooh, minis.
Yeah, he had a
Wait,
shotgun.
Connor, take this chug jug. Connor, wait, where are you?
I'm coming.
I got a chug jug. Dink.
Dink it and sink it. Hello?
There's someone
Oh, I
here.
got shot from the east.
East. Oh, I see him.
Does anyone have to spin their entire map around to find where east is? Or is that just me?
He's got no shields. He's behind that tree.
Which tree?
The one he's chopping down.
See him.
One hit.
The submachine gun's really bad.
Okay, I'll run in.
Is he dead?
Shoot him when he shoots me.
He's downed.
Oh. Okay, then I will disgrace this man.
I have no ammo for my submachine gun now.
Bludgeon him.
Okay, I'm gonna keep looking for stuff here.
Whoa,
Oh.
buddy!
Maybe not.
Holy,
Where's that
good
coming
shot.
Where?
East, on the hill. Oh yeah.
He hit me?
Where?
17, but he has shields.
On that big hill that you guys are on?
Yeah.
I see him. I almost
He's on
sniped
me.
him.
I got him.
I think there's other people shooting at us.
No, that's me sniping.
Oh, okay.
If it was a sniper shot,
Yeah.
Oh, that was... Oh, yeah. That was a sniper shot.
that's me.
Okay, I have no good guns. Just so you know.
All I have is a sniper and a submachine gun, both with 5 bullets.
I have a submachine gun with 0, a pump with 5, another submachine gun with 9, and a hunting rifle with 9.
There's another building down here that I'm gonna loot. Hey, I got 2 kills.
Nice.
Connor has 0.
What?
Because we both kind of stole him.
This is unacceptable. I don't care. Steal. Someone's got to be the guy that they shoot at.
Is that, you actually think that's like the best way?
Well, I mean, it's kind of what you do.
Wait.
I got small shields, I don't think we can use them. Anyone need them?
We need weapons.
I have quite a few weapons, but they're not that good.
But
Does anyone want a shotgun? Because I have 2.
I need bullets.
I have 20. And a big shield. Neek, in the very middle of the west side, there's a big shield in a building.
Okay. Alright, cool.
Like right where I am.
Gotcha. Wait, middle of the... Wait, hold on. I'm trying to find this chest.
The middle of the west. See the west? Yeah, we're in the middle of it.
Well, the west side of the place. Does anyone need a shotgun still?
No.
Should I take this minigun and try to get my kills? Oh, I also have band-aids.
Ooh. That guy was hungry for blood once we disgraced his teammate Neek.
Can anyone carry band-aids?
Yeah, I can.
I can as well.
Are you guys? Okay, I see you.
Over here, kind of.
Band-aids.
Down here.
Ooh. Alright, I'm double pumped because I don't have an assault rifle.
You said that base shooting was where again?
In the west. Like the
In
far
the
west.
west.
Yeah, I'm going
Of
to
junk.
it.
Okay, I'm coming.
Whoa, okay.
I can carry band-aids as. Ooh, this storm is kind of close. Shoot. With a.
You don't need
Kinda
I
got
see
an
it now.
assault rifle, but I can't give it to you. Just straight west in that building.
in the middle?
No, I was talking to him. Do you want it?
I'm
It's
getting it.
right here. Okay, I'm going now.
Where are those band-aids that I got
I
carried?
got them all.
Oh, you do? Okay. Well, once we get in the storm, once we get in the zone, I'll give you mine.
Okay.
I got a bolt action. Do you want that, Keaton?
I have one.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh yeah. Picky eater, does this place bring back good memories for you?
No, when we got double sniped. Okay, they had to be that.
People, and they both had snipers, and Key and I were sitting like still looking at another
Yeah.
team, and then it was just like 2 shots at the same exact time we were both dead.
I'm kind of proud of them for pulling that off, though. Like, I was mad, but now that I think about it, like, that's pretty sick.
I'm mad.
Alright, Connor. Take these band-aids.
Ooh, 3.
Bonkers, huh?
Bonkers.
Oh, it's so far away.
On the road again. So good to be on the road.
I've got 6 minis if anyone needs some.
I'm carrying 3, so
Alright.
if you need to drop them or something.
Where are we going? We're kind of split up.
I'm going for this blue pistol.
Really?
Why?
Well, we'll meet you on the other side of the mountain.
Okay. Oh, there's a lot of building this way. I'm following you.
It's gonna take forever. Where was it?
I don't know. See where this road that I'm by leads south and connects there? The road south of Pleasant Park?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The next intersection.
2 intersections down.
Yeah.
I heard some shots, but
I heard nothing.
it was just like faint explosions.
Other?
Which way did the bus go? I forgot.
I don't know. Left to right? I have never paid attention.
Oops.
boing. One boingy boy. Yes.
Where do we go?
Are you fighting to the south? Where'd it go?
Mine's frozen.
Yeah. Nick, we're dead. Goodbye.
He can't hear us, I don't think.
He's just running off. Goodbye.
Into a tree for me.
Well, there's a lot of shooting.
Oh, we're back.
We're back.
Oh, mine's still going crazy.
Wait, what? You guys
Our-
disconnect?
Our
Yeah,
game
we
just
saved
froze
10
for like,
seconds.
yeah.
Oh, dang. There's a lot of fighting over on the hill by Tilted.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
you can hear a lot of... Somebody's got a semi-auto sniper.
Yeah, I think it's to your right more. But we gotta move in.
Oh yeah, shoot. Okay.
Just run in, they're fighting, they won't see us.
Should we go up behind him? No, maybe not. Oh, I see they're shooting towards like northwest. Yeah, they're shooting at people outside the circle.
Should we go from back here?
If you want.
What the? Oh, there's so many people.
Really?
Get
I don't
him!
know where I'm even going. Who's shooting at who? Minigun time! Oh, I actually killed someone with my minigun! Holy crap!
One guy left.
Where?
In the southwest.
Where?
Oh, I see him.
Oh, I see him. He's picking up all the loot.
I got, he's knocked only. Where are they? Oh my god.
Make
Look
it
at all the loot, dude!
Take everything.
Holy
Get the mini,
crap!
get the mini shields.
How did
Wait,
I
there's,
got?
there's building towards us. I just heard
Where?
it.
Where?
Over here. Towards me.
I can't see.
Yeah, he's dead.
Is he?
Yeah, got him.
Yeah, he's dead now.
So much stuff.
Oh, I'm max wood now. Wow. There is so... I got thermal.
I'm gonna drink this big shield.
Give me all.
Oh my god, that was crazy.
There's so much loot everywhere.
I don't even know what to do with all this.
Yeah. There's snipers, like whatever you want. I killed someone with my minigun, Connor.
Yeah.
That was a challenge that I had to do.
Wait, do you want light bullets? I can give you some.
Oh, I'm not carrying it anymore.
Not that.
Yeah.
I didn't
Take
even carry
these
some
bullets.
things.
What?
Do you want light bullets?
I'm not
Yeah,
carrying the
300.
minigun. I don't think I really want it anymore.
Oh, okay. Oh, I kinda...
That was crazy. We just showed up after and just... I have all
Right.
wood. Oh, we
Do
gotta
you guys
go.
have light
We
bullets?
gotta go.
Oh, shoot, you're right.
Does anyone have a launch pad from that?
Nope.
Oh.
I don't know, man.
But I think it's gonna move slow.
I think we're okay, yeah. It's pretty slow.
I don't like running through Tilted.
I love it.
We're all like separated and lost in a city.
Oh, huge base in the southeast, but they're fighting.
Could you guys give me
Holy-
light bullets? When you get a chance?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're about to get killed. Holy, I almost killed myself. Oh man, this isn't good.
Oh, I see
Why?
him.
Are they
In the
fighting each
southeast.
other? Like, no one's
Oh
dying.
my god, I fell.
What?
I slid down the hill. I don't know how. No, the
Oh,
storm's gonna kill you.
no.
Just go. The storm's gonna get you. Just go.
I got him, I got him.
The storm.
Connor, run! Oh.
I have
It's
bandages.
not gonna kill you.
Wait, we
like
might actually be
away.
fine. Oh, I'm dead again. Oh no.
No, you got it.
Oh.
Get out!
Found a launch pad.
Yeah, you did.
Take it.
I gotta heal. I gotta heal. I'm going to the bottom of this mountain. Dang it. I like slid down the hill, but still took all the fall damage.
Yeah, that's where I thought I killed myself, but then I slid and I was like, oh, okay.
Do you have bullets, sir?
Small?
Yeah.
I can't use these band-aids though.
Oh, yes.
I have
You have
700.
bullets? You have 700?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, dude. I am going to go to town as long as I don't die.
You didn't pick him up.
No, I did. I've got 1K now.
Oh, I'll just take them. Where do we go now?
Somewhere safe, and
There's
I
people
don't
on
know.
this hill, so.
Let's wait till they drop down.
Okay, bush mode, activate.
You're easy to see.
No, Keen, you underestimate the ability of a person to look at a bush.
I think they're up there.
I don't remember if did they get down yet?
How are we doing so good?
Keen, you have 3 kills. Neek has 2 and I have 1.
Alright.
Yeah, Keen, your hiding spot's so much better. I can't even see you behind that tree.
If I crouch, you can't see me if I crouch down. You didn't give me a chance to crouch down.
See, down here, I am totally exposed.
Oh, I heard a sniper shot in the east, I think.
Yeah.
No, I'm
Yeah,
scared.
that's right up on the hill.
Oh.
What the heck?
Yeah, it's up there. They destroyed the base.
Okay.
Should we go while we have a chance?
I think I hear rocket.
Should we just go?
Oh yeah.
I saw a tree get destroyed in the east.
Southeast, yeah.
But there's also.
Are they fighting?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going. Oh, they're fighting each other. They're dying. They're dying. Alright.
I think they finished
I'm
the
ready
fight.
to let this minigun rip.
I don't like.
Swim fight.
A shot at
Should we go above the tree? Oh crap.
God, I hate building on roofs. No, I fell.
I killed a guy.
You killed him?
Yeah.
You guys are doing nothing.
Where's the other guys? There's only 2 of them.
Wait, there's no one down there anymore. Is there?
I don't know. Should we just go?
I think they are dead. Wait, there's only 2 left, guys.
Okay,
Yeah, I see them. They're on the base. They're on that.
Yeah. Go, go, go.
Where are they?
They were down here. 100%.
Oh!
You see him?
Yeah, killed one.
1 person left. We got this.
Should we just build a base
don't.
somewhere? They're probably hiding.
Get in the center. Stay by each other.
Yeah.
Just make a base.
Like here?
Yeah.
Stay next to each other. Don't, yeah, all spread out so they can't kill all of us.
Am I gonna take fall damage from this height?
Where they at?
I have an RPG, so.
Nico, I'd make sure your head's like below the... If you're sitting still, just be careful.
If we still get sniped.
He's right there!
Where?
Where?
In the cabin?
I got him.
He's a potato! Yes! We did it!
Yeah, we did it!
Who got the last kill?
Yeah!
Con? He was a potato just hiding. We won!
Yeah.
There's just 3 of us. The odds were against us.
Dude!
I gotta save that.